Hey guys, I got a math strategies video for you today. We're going to start with addition and review some of the strategies we've learned this year. So we're going to start off, let's zoom in on our chart, with some strategies for using objects. We're going to start with this one. Let's look at our choices. When you use objects to solve addition problems, you can use anything at your house. You can use blocks, you can use cars, dolls, M&Ms. Anything you can find. Alright, so we're going to remember a few things when we use our objects. We got to remember first we have to pick an object. Then we're going to make a group for each object, for each number that we have in our problem. And then at the end, after we've made our groups, we're going to count all the objects to find our answer. Alright, I have a worksheet for us today. We're going to do this one together, and then you can practice some more at home on your own. Make up your own problems. We're going to start with 3 plus 5. Before we start, you need to find an object if you want to do it with me. If you need to pause the video, go find an object. I'll be here when you get back. Alright, so I have found me some objects. I think I'm crazy, but I'm going to use some sauce packets from Taco Bell. I didn't have any cars. I got rid of my dolls. So this is what I had laying around. So I'm going to use my sauce packets for my problem. Alright, problem number 1. 3 plus 5. Alright, let's make our groups. I'm going to count out 3. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Alright, 3 plus 5, so I've got my group of 3. Move that over out of the way. Let's make my group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. My table is just not big enough. Alright, so I have a group of 3, I have a group of 5. So now, to find our answer, of course, you've got to count all of them. So let's touch and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Of course, that's where you're going to write your answer. Right there with your number sentence. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Very good. All right. To do the next problem, we have to move all our objects back to their pile. Let me make my pile somewhere else. This is driving me crazy. Too many sauce packets. Okay. Next problem. 7 plus 4. Alright, let's see. Let's make our 7. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, they don't all have to be in a line. They can be in a pile. They can be in a group. However you need to make them. So I made them in kind of 2 lines because it got too long for my table. 7 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have my group of 7, have my group of 4. Alright, so let's count and see how many 7 plus 4 equals. Alright, let's see. I'm going to start up here this time, because does it matter where I start counting? Not really. I can count either group first as long as I count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 7 plus 4 equals 11. Alright, let's do the next one. 7 plus 8. Let's see, I didn't move my stuff, so I already have my 7 ready. So I'm going to just change my 4 to an 8 to make me have 2 groups. So let's see, I have a group of 7. So now I need a group of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, can't see. Alright, so I have a group of 7 and a group of 8. let's touch and count. Let's count all of our objects. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7 plus 8 equals 15. Very good. All right. 9 plus 3 is our next one. So I'll move these out of the way. Now I remember I had 8, so I'm going to make this into 9. It makes it faster. Now I have 9 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, now I'm ready. I just need to count them again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, 9 plus 3 equals 12. Awesome. Good counting. All right, let's move that out of the way. We have one more problem we can do together before you have to make up your own. So let's move these out of the way and let's work on 6 plus 6. So I need to make 2 groups of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need another group of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, those get kind of crumpled up there. All right, so let's touch and count. I'm going to count as I touch. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. All right, so let's review what we learned today, what we practiced today. We've already learned it, but let's practice it again. Remember that we can use in our addition strategies, we can use objects. You can use any kind of object you can find in your house. You can use blocks, cars, dolls, M&Ms, marbles, Legos, anything you can find. You got to pick your object first. You're going to make a group for each object. You're going to count all the objects to see what your answer is for your problem. All right, I want y'all to practice that a little bit, and I've got a new strategy coming up for you next. See y'all later. Bye.